Hey guys, y'all, it's Frog Kingdom, and today I'm going to show you my new frog. Her name is Pixe, or his. They haven't figured out the gender of it yet because it still has the lines on its back. So as you can see, yeah, here she is, and Pixe, she doesn't like to be she doesn't like to be held, but I'm gonna go get her super worms, and then we'll see how she eats on a rapid round. So let's go, guys. Okay.
She's not hungry.
Here's her food: is super worms.
No, it's not.
This is pretty good for her.
No.
And my brother's screaming stuff in the background when I'm
not.
making a voice. And I'm
No,
making a
I'm not.
video. Alright, I'm gonna put Pixe right here while I get her food. So, if you have super worms on a frog, you have to use it for a small frog, because I don't think big frogs would like them. So I gotta shake them up, and then I'm gonna find them. I hope one turns into a beetle so that I can feed her or him that.
Don't feed the beetle. I'm not gonna let you.
Oof. Here's her food.
No, it's not.
Here's her food.
No, it's not.
He just said no, it's not. Okay. Here is the food. Look who it is. Say your name. Say your YouTube channel name.
No. Reptile Production.
That's not your YouTube.
Yes, it is. Yeah, Braylon, you stupid.
Shut up.
I'm telling you.
God, please help me.
No.
Please help me. I lost the super worm.
Braylon, you gonna get us in trouble.
You can't be talking. You lost a cricket in the house.
No, I didn't.
Oh, really? How'd that cricket escape?
No cricket escaped.
What you talking about last night?
That cricket didn't
What?
escape.
Well, no crickets escaped, but a few days ago.
Why are you lying?
So, guys,
Why are you lying?
I'm gonna move y'all over here so y'all can see Pixe. Her food. Hey, Pixe, you have to get in the camera.
Stop lying.
You have to get in the camera.
Why are you always lying?
Alright, guys. Pixe is right there.
Why are you always lying?
Pixe, don't look.
That's what I'm saying.
Alright. I gotta go get the tweezers, guys, so I'll be right back.
No, you don't. Use your hand. Use your hand.
So guys, this is Pixe the frog, the Pixe frog. Oh yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm back, and I got the tweezers. Let's see if she wants to eat. Pixe, turn around, please.
I'm adding that comedic relief.
Do you want to eat? Please eat for the video. Turn around so they can see. Guys, she ate it. Okay, guys, that's probably going to be the end of my video. Please comment and subscribe, and comment down below if you want more Pixe videos, right? Because I know y'all like her.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Alright, Pixe, you can hop away. Alright, Pixe, hop away. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.
Wait, let me do your Alright guys, hope you like this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more quality animal content. And I'll see you on the next video.
Make some copyright strikes, come on.